Okay, time to clean up the chainsaws. Not going to use them anymore this season, at least. I don't do a lot of cutting in the winter. It's usually very, very cold around here and windy, and yeah, there's really almost no point to it. So what I'm going to do is I'll work probably from largest to smallest, because I use, well, actually the Dolmar got more use than that Husky did. But I'll go over them, I clean the chains, blow them out good, you know, and I'll clean the bars, the groove in the bar and stuff. I'll check the oil. I usually have been topping them off with gas, and then I run them just to make sure that they're good, and then I store them inside so they stay warm, and they're usually good to go for the next season. I don't know if I should drain the fuel or not. I feel like as long as you run them a couple times a year, you shouldn't have any problems. I've also been using gas without ethanol, and I think that's the big thing to consider, is to get good pure gasoline if possible. I also run high octane in all my saws. I mean, maybe they don't need it or not. I forget what the compression is on this Dolmar, but I mean, for what I paid for the saw, I want to run good stuff in it. So yeah, I'll break them down, and I don't know, maybe I'll talk a little bit about the saws. We'll have to see. This has been one hell of a great saw. A lot of people don't know about Dolmar, but it's a German saw. You know, it's as good as a Husky or a Steel, I think. This 450 has been a good saw too. It's more of a prosumer. It's not started. Do the old drop start. Nice and dangerous. Rope's getting a little wobbly. a little cold, but seems alright. Try the old 450 here. Seems alright. Good enough for me. This way your saws are ready to go in the spring. Time to start Big Bastard. Okay,